Shoo, Fly Guy by Ted Arnold. Chapter 1. A boy had a pet fly. The boy called his pet Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz. Buzz played with Fly Guy. Buzz made him a glass house. Best of all, Buzz fed him. Fly Guy's favorite food was brown, oozy, lumpy, and smelly. One day, Fly Guy went flying by himself. When he came home, Buzz was gone. Dear Fly Guy, where are you? We are going on a picnic. We will soon be back. Love, Buzz. Fly Guy was hungry, so off he flew. Chapter 2. Fly Guy flew until he saw something to eat. It wasn't oozy, lumpy, or smelly, but it was brown. Close enough. A boy shouted, "That is my hamburger! Shoo, Fly!" Fly Guy flew until he saw something else. It wasn't brown, lumpy, or smelly, but it was oozy. Close enough. A girl yelled, "That is my pizza! Shoo, Fly!" Fly Guy flew on until he saw something else. It wasn't brown, oozy, or smelly, but it was lumpy. Close enough. The dog growled, "Those are my bones! Shoo, Fly!" Fly Guy flew on until he saw something else. It wasn't brown, oozy, or lumpy, but it was smelly. Close enough. A bird squawked, "That's my roadkill! Shoo, Fly!" Chapter 3. Fly Guy was very hungry, and he was very tired. He looked around. Fly Guy was lost. He flew on and 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 flew on and on and on and on and on and on until Fly Guy saw something. Could it be? Yes, it was brown, oozy, lumpy, and smelly. "You found our picnic," cried Buzz, "and here is your favorite, Shoo Fly Pie." Fly Guy was very happy.